Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, as we all know that recently UPSC examinations results have been out. Friends, now you must think that I also want to be in that position. But for that, you need to decide a good coaching as well. Yes, friends, you understood it right. Whenever you go for any coaching institution, it is extremely important that you also check the kind of results the institution is producing. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that Plutus IAS has given a considerable amount of good selection in UPSC Institute, and therefore I would highly like you to recommend that coaching institutions to you and your friends as well, as that coaching institution is doing extremely well. Friends, I will in this video talk about Plutus IAS and how they have been doing all these things, and also share with you the names of these candidates who topped the examinations. So please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. The top three candidates of UPSC examinations results 2021 were: 1. Shubham Kumar. On rank 2 we had Jagrati Avasthi, and on rank 3 we had Ankita Jain. Friends, the rank 2 topper, which is Jagrati Avasthi, was one of the candidates of Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS gave three selections below rank 30. One was rank 2, and another result is All India rank 28th, and the topper is Divya Mishra. On All India rank 30th, we had Divyanshu Chaudhary. Apart from this, the Plutus IAS also gave other selections, like All India rank 268th was backed by Nitish Rajura of Plutus IAS. All India rank 488 was backed by Surya Bhan, and All India rank 612 was backed by Mahima Mata. Heartiest congratulations to all the toppers.
Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there is specific features of digital coaching, which is an important aspect in current scenario. Includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance, as in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared, and then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily, and each student can hear voice of other student on portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 844
So friends, now you know the functioning of the Plutus IAS, and you also know that how result is an important deciding factor. I hope you will now definitely go ahead and try Plutus IAS for your IAS preparation journey as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.